Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm excited. I want to show you what we got here. We got this speaker. This is Marshall Emberton II portable Bluetooth speaker. This Emberton II speaker lets you take Marshall iconic design and sound quality everywhere you go. It has two full range drivers that pump out full and clear sound in 360 degrees, and your music will sound amazing no matter where you are standing. A single charge will give you up to 30 hours of battery life. If there is a music emergency, you can get up to 4 hours from 20 minutes charging. This speaker is IP67 dust proof and waterproof resistance. It means that you can even use it in the rain. Rain cannot stop you. If you drop it in the water, it will still function. Control the music with multi-dimensional control knob on the top. Stack mode lets you connect several Embertons together when one is just not enough. So this speaker got built-in microphone. Use the speaker to make call. The Marshall Bluetooth app lets you connect the speaker and let you control your own equalizer. Is Bluetooth connection, 2.0 channel, 2 full range speakers, 2 passive radiator, speaker sound level 87 decibel, amplifier, integrated class D digital amplifier ×2. Output power is 20 watts. App features pairing and onboarding, remote control, stack mode, equalizer, and update. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. I hope it helps you to make informed choice. Established 1962, so it's quite an old school British model speaker. So in here, the packet here, we got Type-C cable. Let's see what it looks like. So this is information pack. Brilliant. And see what it looks like. Marshall. It's plastic. So the power cable goes in here. First of all, you need to connect it to the power. You need to look for charger head to connect this to charge it up. You switch this speaker on and off from this button. If you push it down, then you switch it on. If you push this button to the right, it's for you to go to the next track. If you go push it back, it goes to the previous track. If you want to decrease the volume, you push this button down for you to decrease the volume. If you want to increase the volume, then push it upwards. Battery level light. To set this speaker up, you need to push and hold this center button here. So push and hold it. You can see it's on. And this button here is the Bluetooth button. This is battery level, battery signal level, and this is the control knob. Push and hold it. It's highlighting red at the moment, so we need to look for this device. So guys, I'm going to show you how to connect this speaker with your laptop. The next thing you need to do is you need to go to your laptop, depending on the device you want to use to set this up. So I want to set this up with the laptop. So go to your laptop settings. You need to select Bluetooth and devices. Switch Bluetooth on, and the Bluetooth is on. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select add a device. Select add a device. Then search Bluetooth, select Bluetooth. It will start to search for available Bluetooth device. Here we go, Emberton II. You need to select on it. And it's connected. Once it's connected, you hear a noise from the speaker. Then select done. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Epidemic Sound is music for content creator. Go to saved music. So this speaker, if you push it down, you decrease the volume. If you push it upwards, you increase the volume. If you push it on the right, you go to the next track. If you push it on the left, you go to the previous track. There we go. Then if you push it once, then you pause it. If you push it again, it will start. If you want to control the equalizer, then you need to go to Play Store and download Marshall Bluetooth app. So once you download Marshall Bluetooth app, this is Marshall Bluetooth. You turn the Bluetooth on. And the speaker is here. From this app, it will show you 90%. It will show you the battery level. So the battery is 90%. So from this app, you can select equalizer preset. It's currently in push. You can select Marshall or voice. So you need to control the equalizer from the app. It's currently in push. You also have stack mode. Connect multiple Emberton II speaker and create a sound as big as you can imagine. So you can connect multiple Emberton speaker using stack mode. This speaker deserves your attention.
A dream. my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water, brush my teeth, get out of bed and I stretch. My age, I don't switch often, I'm just as a dad as it gets. Try taking naps with my kids, talking, I'm guessing this life how it is. And I can't wait for the weekend, keep jammies on like I'm a kid, yeah. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs. Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my.
Wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning. I'm feeling spot, and I don't know which way to run. I'm on a settled path, a one-way road, and I can take it anymore. Working, so go ahead and show me now. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new.
Thank you very much. This speaker deserves your attention. It's powerful, nice speaker, and is value for money. Marshall Emberton II. Thank you.